Namaste. Here is a video on how Bharat is reclaiming its legend like a rising phoenix. Join me on this thrilling journey of Bharat. Let us understand on this context. In the vast tapestry of history, Bharat emerges as a phoenix, a symbol of resilience and rebirth. This land, rich in heritage, echoes the brilliance of the Indus Valley civilization, where urban planning and cultural vibrancy flourished. It was here that the seeds of mathematics and science were sown, where concepts like zero and the decimal system were birthed, illuminating the world with knowledge that transcended time. Yet, like the phoenix, Bharat faced its descent into darkness. The medieval period brought invasions that fractured its unity, the grandeur of its ancient glory dimmed beneath the weight of foreign dominion. The Mughal Empire, while a tapestry of cultural synthesis, also heralded the beginning of a long struggle against subjugation. The darkest chapter unfolded with British colonization, a time when Bharat was stripped of its resources, its industries stifled, and its spirit crushed. The land that once thrived became a shadow of its former self, a phoenix reduced to ashes, smothered by the flames of exploitation and oppression. Yet, from this desolation, hope flickered. The struggle for independence ignited a fire within the hearts of millions. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Veer Savarkar, and Subhash Chandra Bose became the architects of a new dawn, their sacrifices and relentless spirit culminating in 1947, when Bharat finally broke free from the chains of colonial rule. This was not just a moment of liberation, it was the first flight of the phoenix, reborn from the ashes of despair. However, the journey was fraught with challenges. The trauma of partition, communal strife, and economic instability loomed large. Yet, Bharat, with its indomitable spirit, embarked on the arduous task of nation building. The vision of a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic began to take shape, a testament to the resilience of its people. The 1990s marked a pivotal turning point, as economic liberalization opened the doors to the global market. Bharat began to soar, embracing technological advancements and welcoming foreign investments. The phoenix was spreading its wings, ready to reclaim its place in the world. Today, Bharat stands as a beacon of innovation. The IT industry thrives, and landmark achievements like the Mangalyaan mission showcase a nation reborn, reaching for the stars. Economic reforms have transformed Bharat into one of the fastest growing economies, with ambitious infrastructure projects and digital initiatives breathing new life into its landscape. This renaissance is not merely economic, it is a cultural revival, where traditional arts and contemporary expressions flourish side by side, echoing the phoenix's renewal. On the global stage, Bharat's influence is undeniable. Through diplomacy and cultural exchange, it has emerged as a major player, promoting initiatives like the International Day of Yoga, embodying its soft power. The leadership has been instrumental in this resurgence. Drawing inspiration from Kautilya's Arthashastra, their governance emphasizes strategic planning and robust economic reforms. Initiatives like Make in India and Digital India reignite the engines of progress, reflecting the ancient wisdom that guides Bharat towards a self-reliant future. As Bharat continues to rise, it does so with the flames of hope and perseverance lighting its path. The journey from ancient glory through the trials of colonization to modern advancements is a narrative of resilience, a testament to the spirit of a nation that refuses to be defined by its past. The phoenix, reborn and resplendent, soars high, embodying the promise of a future filled with potential. Bharat's story is one of overcoming adversity, embracing change, and striving for progress, a continuous cycle of renewal that will echo through the ages. The indomitable spirit of Bharat, like the mythical phoenix, will forever rise, resilient and radiant, illuminating the world with its brilliance. That was some resilience that has never been seen before. Today the world looks at Bharat not as a country of snake charmers but as a country who is back up on its feet, regaining its spot back and has a potential to be a Vishwaguru. I hope you all liked this video and do share with your patriotic friends and subscribe to encourage us to provide more quality contents like this.